another new move out of one of my least favorite handholds. I called it the ribbon. I have a love-hate relationship with the infinity handhold. Every time I get stuck in that movement, my brain freezes. I have to admit it. If I want to get back to a swing out, I gotta bring my partner over, hit their elbow, do a little pass by, and then you're stuck doing the same move. And right when you get to the position that you're aiming for, some odd way I end up back into the infinity handhold. I mean, I'm not complaining about it because if it wasn't for this infinity hold, I wouldn't have so many different variations from this movement. I want to see how you get out of this move. If you have a variation that you want to show me out of the infinity handhold, post it in the comment section. I'd love to see it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, take over 18 taster classes that I posted onto my website for free. They'll help you both with your creativity and your technique. Hopefully I get a chance to see you on the social dance floor or in one of my classes online. Take care.